Hello everyone and welcome to Sustainability and Engineering. My name is Engineer Shaz Hussain Syed and I have been working in the MEP industry for over 15 years. This video is the foundation, the beginning of a journey we'll build together, a journey towards a better tomorrow. Let's start by understanding why this channel exists. After spending a lot of time in the engineering world, that is on construction sites, in design offices, during meetings, reviewing submittals, doing commissioning process, and final handovers to the end users, I've noticed one thing again and again. People don't lack intelligence. What they often lack is clarity. Engineering is full of powerful ideas, but too often those ideas are buried under complicated language and unnecessary complexities. And sustainability? It is usually talked about as if it is something only governments, researchers, or scientists can deal with. But that is not true. Sustainability and engineering belong to all of us. Students just starting out, young engineers finding their way, contractors on site, and even people outside the industry who simply want to understand how buildings really work, they can indulge into sustainability and engineering. This channel exists for only one simple reason: to make engineering clear, practical, and relevant, so anyone willing to learn can truly understand it. Let us understand what is the current global situation and the importance of sustainability in today's world. So, we are living in the time where ignoring sustainability is no longer an abstract idea. It comes with real, visible consequences. The climate is changing, temperatures are rising, and our buildings are using more energy than ever before. At the same time, the natural resources we depend on are being consumed faster than the planet can replace them. From air conditioning systems and water heating to ductwork piping and refrigeration, every system we design, install, and operate leaves a footprint on the environment. Whether we realize it or not, engineering decisions made today are shaping the world we'll live in tomorrow. Sustainability is no longer just an option, it's a responsibility. And it is a responsibility that engineers like us can no longer ignore. Because every watt of energy we save, every drop of water we conserve, every efficiency we improve, and every sustainable material we choose makes a real difference. These small everyday engineering decisions add up, and together they will help protect our planet. This channel is here to show you exactly how to make that happen. Let us understand engineering in very simple terms. I've always believed one simple thing: if you can't explain a technical concept in a simple way, then you probably don't understand it well enough. That's exactly how this channel approaches engineering. Here we talk in practical real-world language, the kind you'd actually hear on a project site or in a design discussion. We'll break down topics like HVAC design, chill water systems, ducting, VRF, plumbing, firefighting, the electrical basics that influence MEP, authority requirements, material selection, submittal reviews, site execution challenges, and mostly important, practical solutions. That means no heavy theory, no confusing formulas, just clear explanation that make engineering easier to understand and apply. Let me tell you a bit about myself. I'm a senior mechanical engineer, and over the past 15 years, I have worked across a wide range of MEP projects, from residential and commercial buildings to hospitality, industrial and specialized facilities. Along the way, I have worked closely with consultants, contractors, suppliers, and clients, seeing projects from a multiple perspective. I have watched designs take shape, I've seen where things go wrong, how systems fail, and just as importantly, how good engineering can completely transform a project. Since 2016, I've been sharing what I learned through articles on LinkedIn, helping young engineers to understand how MEP works in real world, not just in textbooks. And now through this YouTube channel, my goal is to reach even more people and share that knowledge more openly. Why I started sharing knowledge? To be honest, the industry isn't moving in the direction it should. We are slowly drifting away from the standard. we once took pride in. Buildings are using more energy than they need to. Materials are being selected without much thought. Systems are installed without really understanding how they work, and sustainability is often treated like an option or add-on. I've seen engineers struggle, not because they are not capable, but because no one ever explained things clearly. I've seen projects fail, not because the ideas were bad, but because the basics were never thought properly. And at some point, I said to myself, enough. It is time to start sharing knowledge openly. It is time to guide the next generation. Let's understand what this channel will teach you. So, a question is, what exactly do you expect when you see sustainability and engineering? Let me explain you what this channel is really about. You will find structured CPD sessions where complex MEP topics are broken down and explained in simple practical knowledge. We will dive into real side case studies, looking at failures, corrections, and the best practices. Not from the theory, but from the real world experiences and logic. You will also see material reviews where we compare insulation, ducting, piping, equipment, and systems, and talk honestly about what works and what doesn't, and why. Through design walkthroughs, I'll explain why certain equipment is selected, how systems fails, and how we can optimize design before problems even occur. We will cover sustainability tips, small engineering decisions that might seem minor but actually lead to massive energy and performance savings over time. I'll also focus on engineering mindset training, helping you learn how to think like an engineer during design, installation, and troubleshooting, not just following drawings blindly. And finally, we'll simplify authority requirements and standards, breaking down ASHRAE, SMACNA, NFPA, IPC, and local municipality regulations into language that actually makes sense. Everything here will be designed to help you to understand engineering better, apply it confidently, and grow professionally. The future of engineering won't be shaped by those who simply work harder. It will be shaped by those who learn faster, adapt quicker, and innovate smarter. As global temperature continue to rise, as energy demands grow, as cities expand, and as resources become more limited, we as engineers have a responsibility to lead the shift towards sustainability. This channel is here to guide you through that journey. We'll explore energy efficient designs, low carbon materials, life cycle costing, smart building strategies, renewable energy integration, high performance HVAC systems, and sustainable approaches to operation and maintenance. Because the engineering decisions we make today will define the world we build tomorrow. To every young engineer watching this, I want to share something truly important with you. You are the future of this industry. You will design and build the systems that protect people's health, comfort, and safety. You will shape buildings that use less energy and perform better. And you will be the ones who will bring sustainability into every engineering decisions. My mission is simple: to give you knowledge, confidence, and clarity you need to grow. Not just to succeed as engineers, but to think critically, solve real problems, and become innovators who push this industry forward. So this is where sustainability and engineering begins. A channel built with purpose, a channel built for learning, and a channel built for a better world. Join me as we explore MEP engineering in a fresh and practical way. Clear, real world, and rooted in sustainability. If this is the kind of learning you believe in, stay connected, be part of the community, and grow with us. I'm Engineer Shahzad Syed, and together, let's build a better tomorrow.